Hi, let's go through putting new fly line to your backing. So you've ordered your new fly line and you got it in. And coming off your reel, you've got this large loop. You can create it using making a bimini twist, or you can tie a three knotted double, instead of a double surgeon's knot, a triple surgeon's knot, and even do that twice. And so there's a wrong way and a right way to connect loop to loop. And I'll tell you, for dozens of years I probably did it the wrong way, because it's easier. You've got a welded loop on your fly line.
Putting 2 knots in there and thickening this up with a nice big loop, it just tends to slide smooth out the eyelets, and that connection can.
And so you take your Dacron or up your backing and go ahead and have your fly reel on the rod, usually on the butt section, and then you want to pass the fly line through the loop. That's why we make a big loop at this end. And so when you lock it down, take the slack out, it's a figure 8. Can you see that? It's just a better cincher. It shouldn't give out. Never does. That's the goal, it could get to the backing. So now you take your fly line. I made a nice little dispenser. Here, right there. And you can level wind it on. So there's that black. Good. That's the indicator that you're back, got your fly line back. Boy, a new fly line. You should start the year with new fly line, I think. This is so smooth and so slick. This stuff is supposed to come with a coating, so it just glides through the guides. I can tell this stuff is slippery, so I'll try to take care of it. And you want to just put that on. Maybe use a loop to loop on the leader. It's just it's a really good connection. Might protect the welded loop a little longer. And so there you are. You got brand new fly line. The reel's all cleaned up, ready to go for next season. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.